The IT world remains in a state of constant flux. Now, as an IT professional, it is almost like a survival tactic to keep yourself updated with the ever evolving technologies as well as the market trends. Hence, we Droid 7 Technolabs bring to you the top technologies for 2020 and 21. Kindly take up this time to subscribe to us and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from the Droid 7 Technolabs YouTube channel. So that much to do. So moving towards the next technology to learn in the year 2020 and 2021 is Spring and Hibernate with Java. Okay, so what is Hibernate ORM or simply Hibernate? So probably every one of you know already about Object Relational Mapper or JPA mapping. So Hibernate ORM or simply Hibernate is an object relational mapping tool for Java programming language. It provides a framework for mapping an object-oriented domain model to a relational database. And Spring, on the other hand, is a Java-based solution for building softwares. Spring is a powerful lightweight application development framework used for enterprise Java. Why Hibernate is important? So the first thing is fast performance. Second, database independent query. Third, automatic table creation. Fourth, simplifies complex joins. Fifth, provide query statistics and database status. Unlike JDBC, Hibernate connects with the database itself and uses HQL Hibernate query language to execute the queries, then maps the result to Java objects. So Spring can be thought of as a framework of frameworks because it provides support to various frameworks such as Struts, Hibernate, Tapestry, EJB, JSF, etc. So why Spring is important? First of all, it adds many Java JE features to basic free servlet containers. Second, it is free. Third, it is mature. Fourth, it has very strong support for Hibernate. Fifth, it can essentially give you a web application with a database and minimal effort. There are 483 companies reportedly use Spring in their tech stacks, including Accenture, Dolocoria, and Zalando. Java developers can now use Spring to more easily build distributed applications that take advantage of Google's cloud services. Company says Google is making it easier for Java developers to build applications using the Spring software programming model on its cloud platform. Netflix uses Spring Boot as the basis of its SOA because it offers the scalability and maturity of the JVM. Java provides both the flexibility and scalability Netflix needs. So these were some of the latest news over Spring. There are 163 companies reportedly use Hibernate in their tech stacks, including Platform, Trendyol Group, and Wealthsimple. You can also work, experiment, and find the different solutions and stay ahead of your competitors through a variety of courses which are provided at Droid 7 Technolabs and stay ahead of your game in 2020 and 21. If you have any suggestions on what you would like to hear more about, kindly leave them in the comment section below. We will be glad to hear suggestions from you. With that, I close the session. Subscribe us and keep yourself updated with the latest technology that is in market and the courses we are offering. Thank you and have a great day.